Apfel Dr. Germany, my name is Ben, hello and welcome to the micro soldering show. Good morning at this wonderful Saturday. Today in the morning I just rested some time here, spent some time here to get the problems fixed, because in the last time we often had problems, or I often had problems here with the quality of the videos. So really often we had stucks on using the microscope camera, and I just didn't know why, because I have the same system as the whole time. I know it's not the best. As soon as I have time, I will get an upgrade. That's not a problem. We just built a PC here by ourselves with enough power for doing these videos. That's not a problem, but here I just have to do something. Okay. But I just didn't know why. I changed nothing and the quality was just going more bad and more bad, and that's not the way I like that. So I just removed OBS, removed the drivers for the cameras, and reinstalled all that, getting up to the newest version of OBS, and now I hope it works. I just had to change something on the quality, because if I use full HD, the image is doing again the same as in the last video, so I get stucks, and that's not good. So I just choose 720 as a resolution. I hope you can live with that. I will get a new PC within the next days, and then the quality is on top again. Okay, I hope you will like the video. Anyway, we just do an iPhone 7 together with a no network problem. Okay, I want to see if I can see that there is no network. We go straight to the on hands camera. I hope it works. Okay, that looks good so far. Later I have to clean my table, and okay, I need a code for that device. Then we need to see okay, we get an EMI, but we get no network. Okay, EMI, no network. Is this correct? I just take a test sim. One moment. So, searching, it recognizes the SIM card, but it's just searching. Okay. I want to see if this is really correct. Okay, directly no network. And I get the phone to the place where I normally get network in here, because it's bad to get network signal in our company at the moment. We will move the place with the company just within the next weeks. So searching, no network connection. Okay, we got an EMI, but we don't have network connection. That's nice. Let's see what we can do here. We just disassemble the phone. Okay, it was already opened, because the opening is very easy. The main camera has been changed on that device. Okay. The battery has been changed too. Okay, the wires are okay, the antenna wires. As next, I have to do a swap for an iPhone 7 data recovery. At moment, I had some weeks where I did not much X and not much swaps. Then I did a lot of X's. Now the last days, not much X's, only 1 or 2. But I have to do again a lot of swaps. So in the last 3 days, I did every day about 4 swaps or more. And yeah. But I think today, like I saw on our website, on the repairs which we mailed in, we should receive some access again. Data recoveries and repairs. But today I'm only at the company until about 12 o'clock because I have to take a look for my child's. My wife today in the morning said you can't work every day, day in and day out. You have to do something with the kids today, and I said okay, I will do. So let's see, let's check the LDOs for the baseband, and we have a Qualcomm. That's really nice. Normally on Qualcomm with these errors I don't have to do long time searching, because it's always related. If baseband CPU is fine, and mostly it is fine, you have a problem with the baseband PMU. So in that case, normally if we had an Intel, I would like to measure. But we have a Qualcomm device, and that's just great. Qualcomm device, and here people, normally I really like to take the multimeter and to take voltages and to do diode mode and things like that, but here we have a Qualcomm device, and if we got a Qualcomm iPhone 7 baseband, it's for me just like money rain, because I don't have to search a long time. I don't need to measure on all the LDOs, because I know I got EMI. We have always searching, and we have Qualcomm. So that's really nice, because the only thing we have to do now, and I think you saw that in some other videos which I have shown you before, but like I said, every day a new repair for you, and I don't know before what's in. Could be an Intel baseband now, and could be complete other repair. But here, why should I waste time now by just measuring? Because I directly know Qualcomm baseband. Okay. I hope the video quality is better now with this video. It's not full HD, but I think it's better than just stacking. So we take out the baseband PMU. Okay, got it out. Here, you see? Then we just need some flux. At the moment, Andy and me really working hard on a complete game-changing micro soldering thing for YouTube. Stay tuned for the next weeks. First in German, after that in English too. But some days ago I released one video in German, and there were English-speaking people which wrote under the video, "Oh no, not German again," and don't think that I only do one language. I will do it in German and in English, and perhaps I learn Spanish because we have many Spanish-speaking followers. My brother speaks Spanish perfectly. He was 1 year at Ecuador. He was 16, and he went there just for 1 year, and he came back and he could speak perfectly Spain. And my uncle is living in Spain. He has a doctor in Spanish, and he is speaking Spanish perfectly too. His kids also. So wouldn't be hard for me to get the language. Perhaps I learn it within the next year, and then I can do some videos in Spanish. Perhaps. Just give me the time. Okay, now we just set a jumper, and that's really important because the problem on Qualcomm is always related to a missing ground connection in the chip. So we need to rebuild that. Hey, little jumper, please sit down here. Don't waste my time. You see my tweezers just don't want to work. So I get a little bit more flux here. Then I get the jumper here. Sometimes I hate jumpers. I don't do much jumper work normally, because that is always related to Andy. Just need another tip. Yeah, that's much better. Okay. And we need to get the jumper over these 4 pads here. Okay, then we just cut it off. Then we clean. Clean work is really important for me. Every day I see a lot of sicky work, and I like when work looks really clean and is really done in a good way. Okay, you see the jumper going over these 4 pads. A little bit of solder mask, taking the UV light, and we take, it's important, we take a new chip. We don't re-ball the old one. We take a new chip. A new Qualcomm baseband power management IC. After that, we just get some flux on here. Okay. Then we take the chip, set it in the right position, place it down, and then we can just solder that down by using the hot air. And we are done. And now you see, this little jumper is going through the chip, these 4 pads, and we got a nice connection for the ground. Really clean looking job, like I always want to see. Okay, and now I can just switch to the on hands, because normally it should work again without any lags. I will renew the glue sticker on the back side later. I just want to show you that we have now a working phone again. Right, get on the screen. Boot the device. Boom! Back to life again. No, it was working before too. We only had problems with the signal, and now I want to see if the signal is back again. Okay, you see, SIM missing. Now searching. I placed the phone directly here, just waiting a short time. And I'm pretty sure the network will come within just some seconds. I count 1, 2, 3. Network, please come to me. No, we just have to wait a short time. And yeah, 3 bars of Vodafone Germany. Okay, boom! We are back to life again with our iPhone 7. After only searching no network, we had an EMI, but we didn't had network connection. Okay, and now it's just working fine again. You saw just a little trick, a little hint. Use a jumper over these 4 pads for the ground connection of the IC, and it will work fine again for the whole future. You will never get this device back as RMA or things like that, because it just works. I hope you liked the video. Now it's just the last video for this week. We will see us again on Monday. I just start over now with a swap for data rescue on an iPhone 7. Have a look at Instagram if you want to learn things like that easily. You can do that on the Bottle Repair School Germany. And if you are working at a repair industry for smartphones and tablets, just join our Facebook group, Smartphone Repair Group Germany. I would be happy if you would join, but please answer the questions. Otherwise, you won't be accepted. I'm out now. Boom! Back to life again. Yours, Ben. Have a nice weekend. I'm out now when the mouse works. Bye-bye.